Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, beware of Greeks bearing gift, the saying goes. The saying also goes that a rose by any other name still smells as sweet, but there is no sweetness to this narrative that I am about to bring you. As guys, I bring you this FG to establish agricultural industrial parks. So that's this latest headline, FG to establish agricultural industrial parks. So now let's find out exactly what the Mallamis are scheming and plotting this time around. The federal government has revealed that it has partnered with a private firm to establish agricultural parks, AIPs, across the 6 geopolitical zones of the country. The move is expected to create jobs and ensure food sufficiency. The Minister of State for Agriculture and Rural Development, Honorable Mustafa Shehouri, stated this when he received a delegation of the Global Fortunes Limited led by Mr. Quadron Israel in Abuja recently. He said the project, if implemented, would ensure food security and create more employment for Nigerians, as it would be public-private partnership driven. He also said that the government was committed to the development of the agricultural value chain in Nigeria. He added that even with the huge infrastructural deficit in Nigeria, we can still embark on this project because the government is focused on diversifying the Nigerian economy. The minister revealed that he would visit Taraba State Agricultural Industrial Park with the relevant directors to see the model of the park that is in the state. He stressed the need for the federal government, in collaboration with state governments and other relevant agencies, to partake in the project in order to fast-track progress. In his remark, the Director, Department of Agribusiness, Dr. Aminu Babadi, said the project was a welcome development, but noted that some of the challenges that could hinder the smooth takeoff include energy and space utilization. In his presentation, the manager, Global Fortunes Limited, Mr. Quadron Israel, said that the company is using this opportunity to establish agricultural industrial parks across the 6 geopolitical zones of the country. So I started off with beware of Greeks bearing gifts, and I also said that a rose by any other name still smells like a rose. So now Ruga by any other name is still Ruga. So this, of course, is this Ruga agenda being revisited now. They are determined to situate Fulani communities within all local governments, within at least all states, and effectively by extension and by ambition within all local governments within the Nigerian state. So this now new fangled idea that they are trying to bamboozle us with, agricultural industrial parks. So agricultural industrial parks, of course, in its description is the exact identicate of that Ruga agenda that we had rejected a year, 2 years ago. So Ruga by the back door, a rose by any other name still smells like a rose. Conversations in the comment section. If you Ruga me, I will agricultural industrial park you, is what Mallam Buhari is saying to the Nigerian population. What says you? Come tell me what your thoughts are about this abracadabra move by the Mallamis in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this boju that the Mallamis are trying to play on the Nigerian population in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.